objectives in this experiment. First, students should be able to conduct a suitable experiment to synthesize a cyclic compound via Diels-Alder reaction. Second, students should be able to handle the related apparatus and chemicals. In addition, students should perform the recrystallization procedure in order to obtain pure product.
The round-bottom flasks allow more uniform heating or boiling of liquids. Round-bottom flasks are used in distillation by chemists as distilling flasks and reserve flasks for distillate. Round-bottom flasks are often used to contain chemical reactions run by chemists, especially for reflux setup and laboratory-scale synthesis. Distillation column. The vigorous column that serve the purpose of separating out compounds of different boiling points. The closer the boiling points, the longer the columns that has to be in order to accomplish satisfactory separation. Condenser for distillation. In a distillation, liquid compounds can be separated from one another based on difference in boiling points of the liquid in the mixture. The purpose of the condenser is to cool the vapor of the components of the mixture, allowing them to condense to liquid form and be collected. Steam bath. Steam bath is a relative way to heat flammable organic liquid. Ice bath. Ice baths are very useful in chemistry labs to control exothermic reaction. There are many instances where you will need cooling as part of the procedure. For example, in recrystallization, carry out reaction at low temperature, controlling exothermic reaction, as well as in a vapor trap.
Apparatus used in this experiment is thermometer. Thermometer is used to measure a temperature. Then, Bunchner funnel. Bunchner funnel is used for filtration and separation of liquid substance. And Erlenmeyer flask. Erlenmeyer flask is used to make a solution such as holding, containing, collecting, or sometimes volumetrically measuring chemical samples or solutions. The apparatus used next is melting point device. Melting point device is used to determine the melting point of a substance. Lastly, the apparatus used is infrared spectrometry, used to identify chemical substance or functional group in solid, liquid, or gaseous form.
For the experiment procedure first experiment is preparation of cyclopentadiene. First step, we put 40 ml of dicyclopentadiene into the 100 ml of flask. Complete the setup with a fractional distillation column, retrieve vigorous column, and condenser for distillation. This is an example of the setup. As you can see, then cool the collector flask in the ice bath like this. And lastly, boil the dicyclopentadiene and distill at 40 to 43 degrees Celsius.
Untuk tindak balas ini, kita perlu larutkan 3 gram serbuk halus malik anhydrida ke dalam 10 ml etal asetat dengan menggunakan kukus steam secara pemanasan. Seterusnya, tambahkan 10 ml Ligroin dan sejukkan campuran tersebut di dalam takungan ais. Kemudian, campurkan cyclopentadiene sebanyak 2.5 gram yang diperolehi daripada tindak balas penyediaan cyclopentadiene tadi dan goncangkan campuran tindak balas yang eksotermik itu di dalam takungan ais sehingga hasil termendak sebagai pepejal putih terhasil.
Step 4. Heat the mixture using steam until it dissolves and let it crystallize. Step 5. Filter the crystal form using Bunchner funnel. Step 6. Weigh the products. There will be 2 final products, which are endo and exo products. The endo product is the main product because it is formed when the electron drawing group of the dienophile are pointing towards the pi electron of the diene. The purpose of this experiment was achieved. Diels-Alder reaction is a suitable experiment to synthesize a cyclic compound. Second, the apparatus and chemicals were successfully handled by students. Finally, in order to get pure product, recrystallization process must be performed.